We're going to talk about performing math operations in Python. So to start, let's do some addition. So we're just going to use the plus symbol like you would probably expect. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next, we're going to do some multiplication. So to do multiplication in Python, you're just going to use an asterisk symbol. 2 times 3, we get 6. For division, we're just going to use the forward slash divided by 3. So we get 3.33. The next one might be new to you. I know it was new to me. It's called a modulus, or I just like to call it a remainder. So what we're going to do is actually 10. We're going to use this percentage sign, 3. So what this is going to do is, if we divide 10 by 3, then the answer is 3 remainder 1. So this sign is actually just going to give us the remainder of the division. So we get 1. And if we do the same thing with, say, 10 modulus 2, so 10 divided by 2 is 5, and there's not a remainder, so we just get 0. And in about the exact opposite fashion, we have the next one that's called floor division. So with this, if we do 10, and we do 2 forward slashes, 3, so 10 divided by 3 is 3, remainder 1, but it's just going to give us that 3. And last but not least, we have our exponent. So if we want to add an exponent to a number, we're going to add 2 asterisks and then the number. So we get 8. So this is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And there we have it.